Now it's time for assignment question answer. Now we shall discuss about the assignment question answer of chapter number 6 of geography. First question is, what is manufacturing? After manufacturing, here is a question mark, and give two examples also of manufacturing industry. We have discussed earlier that production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw material to more valuable product. For example, two example I am asking here. Two examples are cotton clothes we are obtaining from what? We are obtaining from cotton plants, and cotton plants we are receiving from what? We are receiving from agriculture. Second example is sugarcane is raw material for sugar industries, and there are so many example. Two example I have told you, and two more you have to write yourself. Next is, on the basis of raw material, in how many parts we can divide the industries. We can divide, on the basis of raw material, we can divide into two parts. Industries can be divided, we can divide the industries in two parts: agro based industry and mineral based industries. Agro based industries are those industries which are dependent on agriculture. Cotton industry, sugar industry, jute industry are the example of agro based industries. And next is mineral based industry. Mineral based industry is that industry which is dependent on minerals. Oil refining is the example of mineral based industry. Next is, on the basis of ownership, in how many parts we can divide the industries. Public sector, private sector, joint and cooperative sector. And you have to write the detail yourself. Is it clear to all of you? Now one more question is, what is the importance of manufacturing industries? Or manufacturing industry is the backbone industry for the other industries too. This question you have to do yourself. Is it clear to all of you? Thank you.